Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram app. So without wasting the time, open your Instagram app, and after this tap on this plus button to add your story. Tap on story, and I'm just going to click a random story here and tap on that. Click share to your story, tap on done, and in this way you can see my story has been uploading. And after uploading, tap on this highlight button here and write something here. I'm making tutorial, so I'm just writing tutorial, and tap on add. After adding this, it will show you view on profile. Tap on that. So here you can see my highlight has been created just like tutorial. If you tap again, and if you make a highlight again directly, so tap on this plus button and new, and you can make your highlights with your saved stories, just like I'm taking this, and tap on next. So write here name, tap on done. So you can also add your highlights from your saved stories.